So when it comes to solar, there's a few myths going around, and these are some of the more popular ones. The first one is that solar is too expensive and most people think they can't afford it. In actuality, you can go solar with no upfront cost, nothing out of pocket, no fees or anything like that. And the federal government is even giving a 26% tax credit. So they're paying for 26% of your cost to go solar. The second one is that it doesn't produce in the wintertime. So that's a myth in the regard that it's actually going to produce some. Obviously there's light out, the panels will gather light in the winter. It'll produce a little bit less, that's for sure. But remember, in the spring and the fall, you're going to overproduce based on your electrical usage in most areas in Northern California. And then lastly, bad credit. You can't get solar if you have bad credit. That's not true. There's several programs in their county programs throughout California that allow for you to go solar, and credit score is not one of their criteria. There are a couple other criteria that come into play, but bad credit is not a reason to not go solar. So hope that helps, and we'll look forward to talking to you soon.